Hey guys, it's Matthew Gilliland with Cape Fear Customs. We're wrapping up a really cool install on the new Retrax EQ. Super cool tonneau cover. It's loaded with features. We've just installed it on this 2025 GMC Denali. 3 presses of the button and you can unlock it. And same thing, 3 presses on the factory key fob of the lock button closes it. Another really cool feature of this cover is the cinch feature. This allows you to cinch the bed cover against the tailgate for anything that may exceed the height of the tonneau cover. Now time for the install with our head tech putting together the job. They feed the cable through the drilled hole and tuck it out of the way beneath the bed. The tonneau cover comes over the bed and lowers onto the rails. Small shifts left and right, a nudge at each corner, and the edges line up front to back. The panel settles flat, gaps look even, and a quick pass across the length confirms the fit before moving on.
I need to wire it up now. Talking to yourself while you work is a sign of genius.
Well, then I'm Einstein, because I do it a lot. And 3/4.
The remote fob gets set on the back panel, adhesive backing off, a firm press, and it sits clean and flush. The indicator lights, and they give it 3 quick taps in sequence. The Retrax EQ wakes, the panel glides along the rails, easing all the way to full open. Another tap and the cover heads forward, tracking straight, settling home at the front. Now the cinch demo.
That's not moving.
No.
A bar stool sits at the end of the bed as our stand-in load. The cover moves in, meets the stool, and locks against it to hold everything steady. All right, guys, if you have any questions about this style cover or any type of bed protection for your truck, stop on by Cape Fear Customs, 6121 Market Street.